Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the environment is stable. Install pending Windows 11 updates and then restart, because many launch issues clear after a reboot. Once done, open Event Viewer and filter application logs to capture error codes that explain why the program fails. Next, try launching the app as administrator, and if that fails, set compatibility mode for an earlier Windows version to fix legacy behavior. These quick checks reveal whether permissions or compatibility are blocking startup. Now focus on the application itself. Open Settings, go to Apps, find the program, and use advanced options to repair or reset. Repair preserves data while resetting reinstalls core files. If that doesn't help, fully uninstall and reinstall the latest official build to replace corrupt binaries. Also confirm dependencies. Install the correct .NET, Visual C++ redistributables, and DirectX versions, because missing runtimes commonly stop apps from initializing. These steps rebuild the runtime environment the app needs. For stubborn cases, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. Disable non-Microsoft startup items and services, then test the program. If problems persist, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and DISM Restore Health to repair corrupted OS files that prevent app startup. Make sure to temporarily disable antivirus or firewall rules to verify they aren't blocking execution, but re-enable them after testing. If the app still fails, note error messages and contact vendor support with those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.